Hey everyone, Alex here with TerraX. Today we talk about how to assemble and install the CUPDOK. First thing, what you will receive is the CUPDOK itself. The mounting rings will be already installed on it. Okay. Then you got one large wedge and two mounting blocks, and then a hardware kit. So first thing you want to do is take two of the large square nuts, slide them in here. You might want to push them in with a key so you can see that it lines up with the hole right here. Okay. Then you want to take your CUPDOK and you want to hold the wedge on there like this so that the lower point goes to the back away from the front edge, and you want to flip it around, and you want to take the two larger screws and set them in, and you want to tighten it up kind of like just with your hand so you still can slide it, and then slide it all the way to the back. Okay. So the next thing you want to do, you want to take one of the mounting blocks, take the square nut and slide it in here in the back. You want to maybe push it forward all the way so you can see it's lining up with this hole. Then you want to take a set screw, okay, and the pointy part goes actually down, and you want to screw it in. When you screw it in, you want to make sure you screwed it in not too deep so the sharp point doesn't extrude past the upper edge, if that makes sense. So repeat this on the second one. Again, pointy side, that's the only way how it goes in. Screw it in until it comes to the upper edge but doesn't penetrate past the upper edge. Okay, so now this is basically your assembly. Now you're ready to install it. Let's go in the vehicle and install the CUPDOK. So now we're here in the vehicle, so the first thing you want to do is you take the big hex key, the 532, and you want to open these screws up just a hair so this can move a little bit. Okay. Next thing is make sure that your wedge is all the way to the back. And then all you do is set it in like that. Okay. Next thing you want to do, again, you want to take your mounting blocks just to make sure. Do not have the set screw point come below the upper edge, because when you slide it in, you'll scratch your CUPDOK if it comes past the upper edge. Move this out of the way. Then you just want to take your mounting block and slide it in. And what I do is I'm going to the third square right here. Let's call it that. Same thing on this side. Slide it in, go to the third square. Okay. Now you take your small hex key. You want to hold it, and you start screwing it down until you kind of like feel a little bit of resistance and it can't slide anymore. Do it on this side too. This is when the set screw is starting to grab the metal, okay? Same here, just a hair, okay? Then the next thing you want to do is take the big hex key right here. Now you got to bend over a little bit. And you want to take this wedge. So what you want to do is you want to push this CUPDOK down. And now you want to take this wedge and shove it all the way in there. As much as you can. Maybe hold it. And then you want to tighten up the screw down there. Make sure it's nice and tight, okay? The next thing you want to do, now your CUPDOK is set, you want to tighten these up. Make them nice and tight. Okay, and then your last is you're going to tighten these all the way up until they won't go anymore. And that is it. That will hold your CUPDOK in place, won't move, and you're ready to install all your accessories to it. Thanks for watching.